Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Unbox your Google Home Mini and remove packaging carefully. Plug the device into a wall outlet and watch the LED lights animate. Keep the Mini within 3 feet of your router for the first setup. Use a smartphone with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on. Ensure the phone is connected to the internet and to the correct 4 GHz or 5 GHz network. Stay near the device while it powers on and announces readiness for setup. Open your phone's App Store and install the Google Home app. Launch the app and sign in with the Google account you want to use. Tap Add, then set up device to begin pairing with your Mini. The app will scan and find nearby devices and list your Google Home Mini. Choose the listed Mini and confirm the 4-digit code displayed on both devices. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter its password to complete network connection. Complete the remaining prompts to assign a room for your device. Set up voice match if you want personalized responses tied to your account. Enable personal results if you want calendars and messages read aloud. Test the Mini by saying, "Hey Google," and asking a simple question like weather. Adjust speaker volume using voice or the app for comfortable listening levels. If sound seems muffled, move the Mini or reconnect to Wi-Fi to resolve issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.